Any footage the other day. Okay, 38% battery. This is going to change colour. Ooh, I like the colour already. We like it. Oh. Oh, what a great colour. Watch the sides over there, Kahli, on the wall. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Marco, how's the painting going? Looking good? You're just cruising. Okay, it's all done. Very, very happy with the colour. So we made. Looks like this is going to be the plants. We've marked up here on the wall and we're ready to put up a mirror tomorrow. Just changes this whole entrance. I still think this is a stroke of genius, these lights. Looking good. Plants. It's all done now. Mirrors there. Looks pretty cool. What a difference. And this side looks really cool. Looking for one more print up there, but it just gives this whole entranceway a new look. Well done, Kahli. And then with the super lights on, it's kind of got a strobe effect. Yeah, very cool. Nice. Yesterday there was a bloody big tree in here, and that's disappeared. So we went off to the garden centre and got all these new plants in. Yeah, cleaning the moss off these stairs so don't break our bloody necks going up and down has been a bit of a mission, but with the old power wash, we're getting it pretty good. Done quite a bit of power washing and went out and did this, and then we decided to make our own little path all the way down here so you don't slip over and break your bloody neck. So that's the pathway going down. Leaped a little bit here and it's all done. Yeah, unusual. It's sunshine and it is Auckland. Knocked this tree down. Figured out where all the water's coming down here, which we, across there was a little thing we kind of cleaned out. Cleaned these ditches and stuff, which is much better. But it's still so bloody wet. Well, it's Auckland. I'm going to weed whack this later. That's a little job. Shed's still looking good. Yeah, I've had an early morning call out for an accident. So he's a bit sleepy this morning.